How to prioritize Google Tasks. In this video, I'll show you how to prioritize Google Tasks. So, to get started, go ahead and install the Google Tasks application into your mobile device. Now, once you have the app installed, sign in into your Google account where you want to prioritize a task. So in here, go ahead and create a task by clicking on this plus button at the bottom right of your screen. And then in here, create a title for the task. And then go ahead and incorporate the details of this task. Now, at the right side of that task, you'll find this star icon. So once you click on that, you'll be able to star this specific task. And all of the starred tasks are viewed in this section. So this will allow you to basically make it easier for you to look for your prioritized tasks. So make sure to set all of the prioritized tasks with the star to be able to view that on a different section. And that is how you can basically prioritize Google Tasks. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe for more videos like this.